Alright, here are the cab mounts on. And we're getting ready to set this thing down. We'll get the jack ready and go on with it. Alright, we got final alignment of these. We got the cab sitting down on the mounts, but the holes ain't quite right, so we're going to let the pressure off it and get the final alignment on this. Alright, so I got the cab bolted down to the chassis now. And I got the steering column hooked up to the steering box. So I guess we have a roller, a true roller now. And look at all this firewall clearance. That is really nice. I like that. So it turned out right nice. Really pleased with it. So now we'll get on. We got this clutch line, so we got to take this linkage rod out and figure out where we're going to mount the clutch master. How we're going to mount the hydro boost. Just little things like that. Well, now that we've got this done, we'll work on our fuel lines. We'll get the master cylinder mounted. We'll run brake lines. So we got that. We got to get this rear end out and build the one that goes in it. We've got some control arm bushings up here that we need to put in. So we'll do that when we pull the rear end out. So yeah, she's coming along real nice. Can't tell how low she's gonna be yet, but the front's got 3-inch drop spindles on it, and the rear's got 2-inch drop springs and 2-inch drop blocks. So she's gonna be a little lower than stock, but I can't really tell how low yet. But we'll see here in a little bit. We're working on it. It's coming along nicely. Very pleased. Engine sitting there really good. I'm real happy with that. So we'll see about finishing up the little detail stuff now. Like I said, this was a drive-by-wire, so I don't know if we're going to keep it drive-by-wire or do a drive-by-cable. We'll have to see what's the easiest to do. So we got to mount the clutch master, figure out what we're going to do with the accelerator, brake lines, fuel lines, and that's pretty much the bulk of the difficult stuff. And then it's just assembly. And the transmission turned out right nice in there. Let's check one thing. Alright, so here's the plate in it. The plate's going to cover fine. We'll just have to redo our hole, which is no big deal. We'll cover that hole up and back it up a little bit and it'll be fine. So we got all that to do, but I'm really pleased with the way it's coming out. It's turning out really nice. Real happy. We got all this extra space in the cab where we can put some speakers behind the seat or something. So yeah, it's coming right along. I mean, we're nowhere near done, but we're getting further along. It's doing okay. So we'll keep at it, and we'll let you know as we go.